Hello there. In this video, I will be talking about how courage points and skills work in my RPG Moral Spirit. Courage points is a stat shared between all party members. Both enemies and players have it, and the majority of skills in the game use it. To build courage points up, the user either uses a skill that doesn't cost any of them, called basic skills, or guard. The amount of courage points your party gains depends on the target's weaknesses or resistances to the move that you use. Guarding increases it by 2 points, and although it's better than hitting a resistance, it's not as good as using a move that a target is regularly affected by or weak to. If you use a skill of an element the target reflects or absorbs, the target's party will instead gain the courage point. The maximum amount of courage points your party has changes depending on the size of it. For each party member, it increases by 10 points. I will also add that running from non-mandatory encounters costs half your max courage points. Basic skills are what characters start with. There is one basic skill for each element. Some characters have 2 basic skills, most have only 1. Courage skills, as I established earlier, cost courage points and are usually more powerful than the basic moves your characters start with and can be of different elements to them. Courage skills can also increase and decrease stats as well as healing resolve. Unlike basic skills, however, courage skills do not build up courage points. Each courage skill has stat requirements that a character must meet in order to be able to use them. Some of these skills are skills that characters naturally acquire, given they meet the stat requirements. Most of them are skills that can be equipped. The skills that can be equipped are learned from foes if you get their resolve to 0 and that they have used the said skill in battle. Each character has a limit to the amount of skills they can equip. This is something that increases as you progress through the story. However, you can only equip a skill to one character, rather than the same skill for multiple characters, so choose wisely. This feature was heavily inspired by Devil Survivor's skill equip system. Basically, every human character can have skills equipped to them, which are gained from skill cracking. However, their stats need to meet the requirements of these skills, and there is also a limit to how many skills these characters can equip. I thought this system was a pretty intuitive way of having characters learn moves through stat requirements rather than the traditional way of them learning moves through leveling up. It made you work with the characters you have and identify what moves best suited them based on their stats. It also saved me the tedious effort of having to think about which character learns what move at what level. Equipping skills also makes the game a lot more customizable, as you can figure out what moves best suit the current situation you're in. That's all from me.